Does your mind rush to the next task? You've just finished a great job, yet you immediately open your laptop and rush to the next task. Those moments, we leave something bitter behind. This is the Japanese aesthetic of Zanshin, the lingering mind. Today, I write this in the Kaisho style. Explains the magic of those few seconds that transform an end into a new beginning. I used to be so eager after finishing a good piece that I'll instantly pack up my tool and jump into the next task. But whenever I'd inevitably make careless mistake, without a lingering mind, the shadow of the past clouds the next step. One breath after one action, I realize that this tiny pause protects the quality of my work, and more importantly, it protects me. Dancing is a ritual of the heart to prepare for the next state. By taking just one breath, we reset ourselves to a state of clarity, step by step, with certainty, just like the stroke of Kaisho. In work, sport, and daily life, would you like this character by your side as a symbol to support your single breath? Or if you wish to learn this stillness with me, please see the link in the description. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with beautiful resonance. See you in the next video.